Hi guys, here we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Time now is 21:20. Now, our last train was the 43 train off to London and that way. And we got an amber light again from that way. Now it's on green. So we've got a train coming from this way. Oh my god, the light's on red up the track. So we're expecting a freighter anytime soon, guys, hopefully. Then the feather light will come on, those white lights above the signal. They come on to guide big freight trains into sidings to let the big fast train through. The white lights above the signal is called the feather. Here we go. It's just come around the bridge, around the corner. Another bridge around the corner, up Cartmel-on-Trent up the road. The track, sorry. It's just about to go under the bridge and go over Cartmel-on-Trent level crossing. When the signal up the track is on red, that means that there's a big freight train coming through. So it could slow the train down, just pull into the siding, and then the light will go back to amber and the feather lights will come on. Hang on guys, we've got a freighter coming from that way as well. I'm pretty sure, because I can see a light above the lights. That looks like a freighter to me, guys. We've got a freighter. I don't know whether it's an EWS, a GBRF or a Freightliner. Oh, the lights have just come on. Finally, it's about time as well. Yep, we've got a freighter coming. I wonder if it's got containers, stones or gravel. When they have containers, that means they're off to China. It's getting brighter. And the time of the freighter arrival is 21:33, and we've got a train coming from the other way as well. It's a long one, guys. 66,070! This is interesting. We've got two freighters in this video, guys. I wonder if this one's got containers. Very bright now at the sunshine. And we've got on this train. Looks like containers. Yes, we've got containers. Yes, they are containers. EWS service. English, Welsh, Scottish trains. We've got 66 128. There's another train coming. Here comes the end of 66 128, and here comes the other train with it. I don't know whether it's on East Coast. It should be, but it's going to be very, very slow. Unless this is another freighter as well, which would be absolutely fantastic. Haven't seen it yet because it hasn't passed that train container box. Oh my god, we have got another freighter, guys. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. This could be containers. This is a freightliner because it's got blue LEDs. And we've got containers. We've got $66 556. Here comes the end of 66 556, and that was sensational. Lights out, and thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.